because we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. We got a little bit of a situation going on. Obviously, you know, we took the reboot to Cleetus and Cars, did the burnout. All that went wrong was the radiator hose. Not exactly. We saw that the turbo gasket was blown, and we took the turbo out, and the fins are messed up. So the turbo's hurt. So now this is the situation that we're running into. This is a Garrett GT42R. It's almost a $3,000 turbo. So I took it to the turbo place, and they don't rebuild these turbos. From what he tells me, the fins melted from the burnout. The EGTs got so hot, you know, I turned off all safeties on the ECU, so it pretty much just like kept on going. The motor's not hurt, nothing's wrong with the motor, but we did a burnout enough to hurt the turbo. So given that we have to go to Cleetus and Cars in Houston in 2 days, you know, I have to leave. We're gonna put the turbo back on. It still makes 5+ on that turbo as it is, but we're gonna have to address that for Texas 2K, which we're taking the reboot of Texas 2K. So, you know, with that turbo, we're not gonna be competitive whatsoever. So I'm gonna figure something out. But for now, for the burnout competition at Cleetus and Cars, we're just gonna throw the turbo back on. Make, you know, about 500-600 on it before we take it. So I'm probably gonna tune it Thursday. So today's Tuesday, so we got tomorrow to put the turbo back on and Thursday to tune it. You know, I'm not gonna wait until last minute. But we got 2 hours before we head out to Cleetus and Cars. So we got the repo on the dyno right now. Let's see what we can do. This is with the bad turbo. It did 616, 408 torque, and then the trays. So everything is between, so the shit in between 6 and 9, it's in the power band. So that's gonna be perfect for the shift points. So we're gonna get loaded up on the trailer and head to Texas. All right, so we're on our way. So we got the truck. This is the first stop for gas. Make sure this thing doesn't open. So we got a 20-hour drive and we should be there tomorrow night.
All right, so quick unplanned trip. Mike's going to Cleetus and Cars and he wanted me to come with him, but I don't have a trailer yet. I tried getting a U-Haul, wasn't really worth it. They were being too weird about me renting it for basically almost a whole week. So instead I'm just gonna not take the dry car and take the Lexus instead. So I'm taking this thing. to Texas this low. Pray for me, please, because I heard the horror stories about the highways. But for right now, I'm just gonna change the taillights because I just don't want to deal with cops trying to bullshit me about a broken taillight. I didn't want to put them on yet, but I'm just gonna end up putting them on so I don't have to deal with that shit. So put the taillights on, pack some clothes, and just hit the road pretty much. We have 22 hours to Texas, to Houston. And once I get out to like tune the mystery van, I'm probably gonna end up racing Mike's Repo too. Next time I'll bring the version, but for right now it's just too unplanned and way too quickly to have everything done. I would have left way early if I knew I was gonna hit the drag car there. But yeah, road trip on that thing. Let's see what happens. Alright, so you guys don't yell at me anymore. Mochi, put your damn seatbelt on. Alright, so just got back in the highway right now. It's 2 o'clock. We're about to start heading to Houston, and we have a 1,500 mile, 22-hour trip to go. Hey, I'm trying to talk here, man. You're being loud. Only have a tank right now because of all of Mike's shit that I had to bring for him. This thing is super low. Mike did get the truck on the dyno again, and he's catching up to my horsepower. He's making a lot of power right now. So it should be fun when we get to Houston. I did bring my helmet so I can actually race it, but we'll see what happens. For now, we're just gonna get back to driving because we have a long way to go. We're getting a little ballsy right now. Ended up putting 10 gallons. I just been racing it up. So like I put 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see the fitment is pretty tight. So it's on there. We're literally about like 30 minutes away from Phoenix, Arizona. We just stopped to like get some gas and keep heading that way. But this is running perfect. It's actually getting 34, 36 miles to the gallon, which is pretty impressive. So gonna keep ripping to Phoenix and then to Texas. So next day, now we still have 11 hours to go, and so does Mike. We're gonna see if we can beat him there somehow, but at the same time being careful because last night we found one of those big ass potholes / bumps everyone was talking about. But super sketched out about staying so close to the border, but nothing happened. The car's still here, all my shit's still here. Mochi is somewhere back there. So yeah, we're about to start just ripping down the road and make some progress. We don't get there too late.
You good? How you guys doing?
Pretty good.
Hi. U.S. citizens?
Yep.
You know, this is the 3rd time today I've seen
a little Power Rangers
doing the same thing, just like this one. So we'll see what happens later.
Alright, thank you, man. Have a good day. Mochi, you have brothers we don't know about. Alright, so made it to Houston, well a little bit past Houston. We're at the hotel waiting on Mike. Slow walkers finally won, so I got here before Mike. So we can go upstairs, put our shit away, and then we get a discount from that restaurant because he's in our car, so we can go eat over there. I haven't ate all day, we've just been rushing to get here. This thing absolutely killed it. Look, really sick going on the highway. And it got here with an average of 34, 35 miles to the gallon, going like almost 90, 100. So the Lexus for the win today. Mike finally shows up. We've been freezing out here waiting on him. Hey Mike, so who's the faster burgers now?
All right, so we made it. And look what the cat dragged in.